Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to set up a pre-authorized payment on RBC, then this video is for you. So, setting up pre-authorized payments, the PAPS, with RBC Royal Bank of Canada allows you to automate recurring bill payments or contributions, ensuring timely transaction without manual interventions. Here's how you can set up PAPS through various RBC platforms. Setting up pre-authorized payments for bills via RBC Online Banking. First, sign into your RBC Online Banking account and then navigate to Pay Bills and Transfer Funds. Click on Add Pays to add the biller you wish to set up a PAP with. Once the pay is added, go back to Pay Bills and Transfer Funds. Select the desired payee from your list, enter the payment amount. Under When, choose Schedule this payment. Set the start date and frequency, example weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. Click Continue, review the details and then click Confirm to finalize. Via RBC mobile app. Open the RBC mobile application and sign in to your RBC account. Then tap on Move Money in the navigation bar. Then select Pay a Bill. Choose the payee from your list or add a new one. Enter the payment amount. Tap on When and select Schedule this payment. Set the start date and the frequency. Tap Continue and review the details and then tap Confirm to complete the setup. Here is a note for you that ensure that the payee is set up before scheduling a PAP. Setting up pre-authorized contributions to RBC investment accounts. Via RBC Online Banking, sign into your RBC Online Banking account. Select your investment account, for example RRSP or TF asset. Under Account Details, click on Pre-authorized contributions. Choose Set up pre-authorized contribution. Enter the contribution amount, frequency and start date. Select the source account from which fund will be withdrawn, then review the details and click Confirm to finalize. Via RBC mobile app. Open the RBC mobile application and sign in to your account. Tap on your investment account, select Set up pre-authorized contribution, enter the contribution amount, frequency and start date. Choose the source account for the funds, review the information, tap Confirm to complete the setup. Here is a note for you that changes to your contribution will take effect 2 business days in the future. Now, setting up pre-authorized contribution via RBC Direct Investment. Log into the RBC Direct Investing platform. From the Trade and Transfer menu, select Transfer. Choose Pre-authorized contribution PAC, then click on PAC Setup. Enter the required details including amount, frequency, start date and source account. Review the information and confirm to finalize the setup. Here is another note accruing to this inquiry is you can also modify or cancel existing PAC plan through the PAC dashboard in the same section. Setting up pre-authorized contribution via RBC Invest Ease. Sign into your RBC Invest Ease account, click on Move Money from the top menu, select a bank account to set up a new pre-authorized contribution, enter the contribution amount, frequency, start date and source account. Review the details and confirm to complete the setup. Note: to view or cancel upcoming contribution, go to Upcoming Deposits in the same menu. Additional tips: authorization. For certain billers, you may need to complete a separate authorization to set up PAPS. Monitoring. Regularly review your account statements to ensure PAPS are processed correctly. Modifications. You can modify or cancel PAPS through the representative platform where they were set up. Yeah, that's pretty much all the thing that you have to know, that how to start up or set up pre-authorized payments on RBC in different through different ways. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below and thanks for watching. Till next time.